What's up, everybody? I am Jerry Niesman at the Niesman team at Keller Williams Realty, and we are here for our typical month-end market report. So this is the Southwest Florida housing market update. These numbers are April 2024's numbers. As always, the Florida Real Estate Association releases the numbers towards the end of the following month, which is why we're at the end of May using April's numbers. And so talking about Southwest Florida, all the different areas that we cover, which is basically everything from the Bradenton, Sarasota, Lakewood Ranch area down to Naples and Marco Island. So Manatee County down to Collier. And so let's get into it, see what kind of information we can. So we're going to start on the south end, Collier County, as we always do. Closed sales at 1134. These are year over year sales. So April 2024 versus April 2023. Closed sales 1134, which is up 5% from a year ago. So still going up in terms of closed units. Median sale price at 668.5, which is also up just a little bit, 1.7% from a year ago. Month supply of inventory is up huge at 9.4 months, which puts Collier County firmly in a buyer's market. Median time to contract at 52 days. That is up from 37 days a year ago and starting to push even a little bit longer than what historically pre-COVID was typical. New listings are 1415, which is up 19% from a year ago. New pending sales also up, which is a little bit surprising, but good news in that the month supply of inventory probably will not go up drastically at 5.9% up from a year ago. So what this is telling us in Collier County, closed and pendings are pretty similar. Listings are up higher than both of them. So we will see likely a slight increase here, but not huge. Days on the market is going to probably push a little bit longer. Surprisingly, though, median sale price is staying strong and still pushing up a little bit, typically month after month in Collier County. So Lee County, closed sales at 2117. That's up 5% from a year ago. Median sale price at 399, up 1.3%. Month supply of inventory at 7.3, which is just rolling into buyer's market territory. 51 days median time to contract. That's a little longer, but not a lot longer than what has historically been normal. Typically running in that like 40 to 50 day range. New listings though at 2945, that's up 12%, and new pendings at 2273. So pendings a little bit higher than closed, and this is kind of typical in this time frame where the bulk of our transactions typically close in historically roughly about 40%, 45% of the annual transactions happen in the February, or really in the March, April, May timeframe. So 2273 pendings, and that's slightly higher than the closed. New listings, like 700 more new listings than went pending, though, which means month supply of inventory is going to creep again. And now on to Charlotte County. And Charlotte County has historically been historically over the last year or so, been the softest market, kind of first to see price decreases and things like that. So closed sales at 686. That's up 13% from a year ago. So that's pretty significant, much higher than anywhere else, I think. That we'll see what Sarasota and Manatee show, but that's a pretty substantial increase there. Median sale price down though 3%, almost 3.5% at 348. Month supply of inventory to 8.2, which is, again, firmly buyer's market territory. 57 days till contract, which is pretty long. New listings at 1,064, so that is a big increase over what pending and closed sales. So we're probably going to see month supply of inventory creep up. We're still probably going to see prices drop next for May, I would assume. And time to contract is probably going to go up a little bit more. Sarasota County, 1,301 closings. That's up 10%. That's pretty good. Median sale price up almost 5% to $475. Month supply of inventory 5.7. So we're really just the gurus typically say 5 to 7 months. That's always historically been considered a balanced market. So we're just getting into a balanced market in Sarasota County. 42 days to contract, 1,550. So new listings not drastically higher than the pendings are closed. So this probably creep a little bit, if at all, but really not a whole lot. It's pretty balanced. And then Manatee County at 1,012, that's up 3.6. 464.9 is down 4% from a year ago, which is kind of surprising, considering we're still showing a seller's market barely with the 4.6 month supply. But it is growing, as all of them are. Median time to contract at 44. New listings is up 21%, so that's pretty big jump there. But still, you're only talking 200 more than the other 100 more pendings, 180 more pendings, a little over 200 new, almost 300 more closed than closed. So it's it's creeping, but surprising that the median sale price has dropped already in Manatee. So closed sales, now we're going to look at the trend for the year. January, February, March, and April. As you can see, the closed volume has ticked up in every single area, except for the slight drop in Manatee this month. But this stair step up is pretty typical. We will probably see a slight increase, maybe a slight decrease, but it's usually pretty similar there from April to May. Median sale price pretty balanced, pretty much the same, slight little increases, decreases here and there, but overall we're not seeing big price increases or big drops throughout each month. Month supply of inventory, as we just went over, is definitely creeping up every month in most places, though Sarasota and Manatee had a slight drop, so we'll see which way that trends. And so, yeah, if you're curious how this affects you, if you're looking to buy or sell, do anything in Southwest Florida, reach out, let us know. You want to know how this affects you specifically. Thanks for watching and have a great day.